Okay guys, we've got the curry house over there. Gonna have a walk down and have a look at a few of the bars. Supermarket on the corner. Just over the road from the Rosamar. And Gen 26. It's Gen 26. I think those apartments you can rent out. Coming over for a couple of weeks, you just need an apartment. We've got the Riviera over there as well. That one there, we did breakfast review a few weeks back. Can't quite remember when it was. Black Pearl there. Bar in there. Got country ribs in there. If you've ever been in country ribs, guys, let me know what it's like, because we've never been able to get in there. Tried quite a few times to get in there. It's always been packed. It's like old school seating in there. The old benches. Yeah. Little beds. Not super packed today. Sure it will be later. It's a bit overcast today, so don't know if that's what it is. There's Pablo's in there. There we go. I think he's on, I like to say about 9 o'clock. Might be earlier than that, I think. I don't know. But yeah, if you want to see him, go in there. Find out when he's on. The Riviera there. Award winners last year. Last time they won an award, got us locked down for 2 years. I'm sure it wasn't their fault. Coming down now, Explorers Club. Back of the Ambassador, on the main bar for the Ambassador. All your football on and everything. And the Orient Express bar. Absolutely brilliant Saturday here at night. So there isn't much in the way of sunshine today. I think it's just trying to break through. That's why there's a few empty seats out here. Big screen up the back there to watch football. Great place in entertainment just in there. Brilliant. Looks like they've got set nights for set people to be on. Pause the video if you want to see a certain night. There we go, hope you can see that. The Rosamar. It's not falling down anymore. We're back open, guys. Supposed to be a nice hotel. We did have a few problems after shutting last year, was it? Was it the year before?
Year before.
Year before, I think it was, yeah. Had some more renovation work done and it collapsed on the back. It's all back up and running now. It's a Rosmar. Let me know if you stop there. Give me your opinion. That's what counts. We're here every day, so. Blue one there is Calypso. The terrace bar there. The bar there. Next one down is the Flash. That one there. Obviously you can see the name. That's not what it's pointing. It's a big hotel. Lots of entertainment on in there. Especially around fancy dress day, stuff like that. But yeah, they've usually got entertainment on in there. Should imagine about 3 o'clock in the afternoon it starts again. But yeah. You got the strip down there and the square further on down. Carry on down there and you'll find it. Yacht Club Square. You got the prison there. Villa de Benidorm. Trying to think where it was then. I think that needs a really good refurbishment. It's supposed to be nice inside though. And the Flash again. Okay guys, if you want to support the channel, we've got buy me a coffee in the comments. I'll pin to the top. If you want to make a small donation, help us keep going when stuff breaks down and whatnot, be much appreciated. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.